Four men are in the hospital waiting room because their wives are having babies. A nurse goes up to the first guy and says, "Congratulations, you're a father of twins." The man says, "That's a crazy coincidence. I work for the Minnesota Twins." The nurse says to the second guy, "Congratulations, you're the father of triplets." The man says, "That's a crazy coincidence. I work for the 3M company." The nurse tells the third guy, "Congratulations, you're the father of quadruplets." The man says, "That's a strange coincidence. I work for the Four Seasons Hotel." The last man is freaking out and banging his head against the wall. The nurse asked him, "What's wrong? Are you okay?" He said, "No, I'm screwed. I work for